All right, so I've been working really hard at trying to follow my business plan and to work on a master flow chart for next year to chart the different things that I want to happen in Lynn Forsyth Designs. And one of the best things to happen in 2020 for me was when I was approached by Gel Press to be a part of their team. And I was like, what do I bring to the table? I don't know. I'm kind of a mess. And so whatever, I said yes. So I haven't been really good at keeping up with assignments and meeting deadlines in a timely fashion. I committed to a challenge and my head went bad and I dropped off and never finished it. So this December I decided, excuse me, I'm going to play along with Carve December. Last year I had bought the carving stuff from Speedball. I had come across, which probably I'm not going to be able to, I did. Okay, this super cool old Speedball linoleum cutter set. Anyways, being that of antiques, and the thing is that's really cool. So where is it written? Right here, it says Scouts. So anyways, I decided to do the Carve December challenge. And I've really had a good time. I've done really good at keeping up with my commitment. I got a little behind at times, but then I would sit down and carve madly for a day or so to get caught up. I do have a couple more I've got to finish. And I have the designs, but my body doesn't like to carve stamps. So I'm going to take a little break and I'll come back. So what I decided I would do, all my ramblings, was to pull out my gel presses and all of my stamps and to have a gel press day. So I have video footage for that I'm going to show you at the end. On how I did it and how I achieved. Some of them are good, some of them are not so good. This right here is super cool, but then again, so is that. Love this one, love. That one's really pretty too. So all kinds of them. All right, I just did an entire session. Ooh, love this one too. Of using my stamps and all of that. So I decided, okay, I'm going to put a mini book together. Kind of been on this little mini book thing. And so I glued some of these together back to back, cut them down to size to get rid of the white spaces. Then I kind of went in and I even made some additional stamps on the inside. You know, so it's just pretty and finished looking. And then I went looking on the internet because I like everything that I do to say something. So I went looking on the internet and I found this really super cool quote. It all begins and ends in your mind. What you give power to has power over you if you allow it. Let it go. Loved it, sat down on my computer, did the different fonts, the whole 9 yards, cut everything all out, got my multimedia, and do you know where this is going? And I started sticking everything into my book, and then I got all finished, and I was super excited, and I picked it up, and I said, oh my gosh, this gets a snort. I glued everything down I glued it into the book upside down and backwards. So you just have to laugh. Oh my God. Woohoo! This has been 2020 right here in this little book. So anyways, it has this super cute little front. I put this little thing on here. This really nice, twineage, whatever, to do it. So I'll flip it over. We'll go to the back of the book upside down. And I'll show you the pages. Because it really is pretty. Oh my God, I'm never going to live this down. It all begins and ends in your mind. Ah, look at these. Oh my gosh, this is all too much. What you give power to has power over you. You might have thought I would have noticed with the hearts upside down. If you allow it, let it go, let it go. And I have a big let it go here. So, I'm still laughing so hard. So anyways, here is this super cute little book that I made with my prints from my stamps. Oh my gosh, it's super cool. But yeah, that's 2020 upside down and backwards right there. So anyways, I'm going to tag on a little bit of the video of how I made these pages. Be looking for this to be a class. And of course, I will tell this story 100 times over and over because I love to tell it myself. So anyways, thank you for stopping by. Be creative and have a fabulous day. Bye. everybody, thank you so much for stopping by and checking out my Let It Go upside down backwards. Yeah, I snorted again. Mini book using my Carve December stamps. Anyways, I hope you all stay creative and have a fabulous day. Bye.